Good afternoon. Today one of our featured vehicles is a 2004 PT Cruiser 4-door, 167,000 kilometers, pearl tan metallic paint, gray interior. Very nice clean PT Cruiser. Fog lights, alloy rims, chrome gas filler cap. Wheels are in very nice condition. Tinted windows. Open up the hatch. I'll see if I can open up the hatch. Automatic door locks, which are working fine because, and also automatic start. Back is very clean. Split bench seats in rear. CD player. Aluminum type dashboard. Rooftop is nice and clean. Inside door jambs. And down around the inside of the car, no rust, no issues. It will be detailed prior to being sold. The inside does need a bit of a vacuuming, as I can see here. Again, I locked myself out. One thing I remember about these automatic door locks is don't lock yourself out or leave the keys inside it. Going on the inside. Nice and clean dash, no rips, no tears in the door panels. All power features, power windows. Back seat compartment. Really nice vehicle. Once again, with 176,000 kilometers on it. The price is $39.75, and that's plus HST and licensing. We do include a 90-day powertrain warranty, which we offer, and it's a coast-to-coast dealer warranty. And that is our PT Cruiser. If interested, please call 289-362-2000. You can ask for Paul or Ian McDonald, and it is the Right Stuff Autos at 53 Hartsel Road, St. Catharines, Ontario. Thanks very much.